There's the trusty parts bin, brought in from outside. And of course, the coffee cup that's empty. And this is a whistly clean power supply for this thing. Look at that, no dust in that. Wow, that's just a little bit of dust there, but crazy. Crazy, I tell you. And that's an AA 23260, 100, 127 volt, 10 amp, 220, 240 volt, 5 amp. And it's made in the Philippines for IBM. And these are the fans. There's a lot of 6 of them that came out of those fan cages. And there's a look on them. These are pretty loud. And actually it looks like there's 2 fans in each one of these cages with a proprietary plug from IBM on the end of it. And again, they are pretty loud. Again, this is from the X-Server, IBM. And this is a PCI riser. There's slot 3 access. And it tells you all about it right here. And there is a empty riser card. Again, whistly clean. So you can throw a couple PCI cards in there, or a PCI video card if you got one of those laying on the shelf. And it's an M75IL PCI X riser card. Okay, here's a little interesting deal. I have no idea what it is. Oh, yeah, I do, I think. This looks like it's a looks like it is a RAID controller and RAID battery set. If I come back over here, you can see the white line along there. Let's go ahead and take that out. I believe that is the RAID ROHS RAID assembly with a lithium ion battery pack, which I would not trust. And it looks like it actually has expanded a little bit. But yep, that's a RAID controller. This blue thing is riser assembly for that PCI slot riser. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out and make sure it goes with the riser assembly.